WormGPT. This is the tool that sent shivers through cybersecurity circles. WormGPT is an unrestricted chatbot built for cybercrime, spitting out flawless phishing emails, malware code, and attack plans with zero hesitation. Hackers love it because it makes scams look professional, but its quality is hit or miss, and it's trapped in shady marketplaces. FraudGPT, a scammer's best friend, or worst scam itself. FraudGPT is a paid AI service for phishing kits, fake sites, and identity theft campaigns. It's dangerous because it makes cybercrime easy for beginners. Yet ironically, buyers often get scammed themselves. EvilGPT. If WormGPT was a spark, EvilGPT is gasoline. Marketed as a one-stop hacking assistant, it delivers scripts, exploits, and phishing content in seconds. It shows how crime as a service is growing, though most of its hype outpaces its real skill. PentestGPT. Finally, an AI on the good side. PentestGPT acts like a step-by-step mentor for ethical hackers, walking through penetration testing, scanning networks, and fixing flaws. It's perfect for small security teams, but still needs human expertise. DarkBERT. This is a searchlight for the dark web. DarkBERT is trained on hidden marketplaces and forums, helping investigators trace stolen data and spot criminal chatter. It's a secret weapon, but not one you can download at home. BlackMamba. The malware that rewrites its DNA. BlackMamba uses AI to morph its code every time it runs, dodging signature-based antivirus. It's more proof of concept than widespread threat, but it's a warning of what's next. PoisonGPT. Imagine AI turning against itself. PoisonGPT shows how attackers can corrupt AI models with poison training data. It's a quiet but devastating tactic that could make even trustworthy AI give dangerous answers. KaliGPT. Your AI-powered hacking coach? KaliGPT merges AI with a legendary Kali Linux toolkit, guiding ethical hackers through advanced security scans. It's powerful, but still just a tool, not a silver bullet. GPTShield. Finally, defense fights back. GPTShield protects AI models from malicious prompts and data leaks. It's early evolving tech, but it's a glimpse of AI actively defending itself. AIM Hacker. Bug hunting, but automated. AIM Hacker digs through code, flags, vulnerabilities, and drafts fixes, helping developers patch weaknesses quickly. It's efficient, but struggles with highly complex systems. DarkMentor. A chatbot trained on leaked hacking guides. DarkMentor is an underground tutor for cybercriminals, proving that AI isn't just a tool, it's a teacher too. CodeXploit. The weapon of choice for researchers. CodeXploit generates and tests exploits using AI-powered fuzzing, pushing both defenders and attackers to level up faster than ever. The AI hacking race isn't slowing down. Tools like DarkBERT and BlackMamba are shaping a future where attackers and defenders move at lightning speed. Want to dive deeper into the AI tools law enforcement is hiding, or see how hackers poison AI models from the inside out? Subscribe, like, and share this video, and tell me which tool left you speechless. We've only scratched the surface.